Well, welcome back. Today we're working on the old C10 again. We got a gearbox install we're doing. Got the factory, that's actually a 73 model gearbox, but we robbed it off a parts truck, actually Gary's truck. So we used his 73 rag joint and everything worked good until we went to change the motor, and then it started pouring fluid out of here. All of that was just bad. So we got a brand new Borgeson 12:7:1 ratio, and right there. And also they say you have to use a 78 up C10 rag joint, which is 3/4 30 spline, and that one is 13/16 spline. So we ended up getting a Dorman 31011. That's a 78 model rag joint. And we got CPP adapter fittings, because I've had a leak for a while all through Power Tour, and since I put the first LS in, I made that little coupler. I flared it out to a standard flare on a metric line, which doesn't seem to work very well. It leaks, but it's not terrible. I mean, you have to put fluid in it once every couple months if you drive it, you know, pretty consistently, which we did. So it's not bad. I mean, it works for what you're trying to do, but we're going to fix it right. So we got those adapter fittings from CPP. So let's get started on that. We're going to tackle this gearbox, see if we can get that knocked out tonight. We've got to get the lift freed up. We're going to start on a new project. We'll show you that sometime in the near future. But pretty excited about this gearbox. We'll have some good turnability. So let's see what all it entails here. You don't want to do that. That's very bad. That'll break your switch. It's already broken, so we don't really care. It's a 9/16 and a half. Let's see, we got a half in here. And it only goes on one way. One hole's bigger than the other one, so pretty self-explanatory there. right, there we go. Installed, sorta. It's bolted in. That was kind of a pain because it's very heavy. Hard to get the bolts to line up by yourself, so I recommend having somebody start the bolts while you hold it. Also, grease the crap out of this because that does not want to go in. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to spin this around like so. Tighten that up. And then I'm going to center the steering wheel kind of close, you know. Then it's got 4 different splines here. So what we got to do is we got to take this pitman arm, put her in like so, into that, you know, kind of like that. So we're going to do that real quick, and I got to tighten this bolt first because I will forget if I don't. We'll see what happens after that. Hopefully that goes in good. Alright, so I turned it to the left down there, so I need to turn it this way. That's close-ish, I guess. Center cap's a little crooked, but don't worry about that. We'll fix that later. But that's kind of where we need it. So now, let's put that pitman arm on. And power steering lines, tighten everything up, and then we'll bleed it. Well, here we go. Got everything tidied up on it, cleaned up. All the cotter pins are in, bolts are tight, nuts are tight. Tighten that down, lines are on, fluid's in it. Steering column's off, or the steering wheel's off. It's about a quarter turn off, but that's fine. I've got to have an alignment redone. I'm going to change everything. Ball joints are really bad. Don't tell nobody, it's a safety concern, but we're going to probably do control arms on this at some point in time, so I'm just going to kind of wait till then to change all that, but it's drivable, so I'm going to see how that feels. Hopefully in a few days. I got to hook oil pressure gauge up. We got a few things up top we got to tidy up for the new fun stuff, so we're going to put the wheel on and call her a night. I think I'm pretty well done. All I'm going to do. It's about 9 o'clock, so I'm over it. We'll do it all again tomorrow. But thanks for watching. It was a short video, but hopefully you kind of saw how to put a Borgeson power steering box on, or really any power steering box. Also, it is possible to put a 73 up power steering box, a factory one. You just have to cut this out because this part is way down here on a factory 73 up square body box. But it will work. You just have to use the rag joint and you have to notch that, which isn't a big deal because that's just, you know, bumper, you know, don't wreck it and it'll be fine. You could also, you know, channel that in if you wanted to strengthen it, but bumper's a little bent anyway. I mean, look at that. Yeah, it's just, you know, this away. So, well, I guess that's factory, but this is kind of bent. But anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're going to call it a night and work on something else tomorrow. Probably the razor. I would imagine. It's fighting me too. But we'll see y'all next time.